Ngayon, sinabi ni Secretary John Vic na the Office of the President ang nagbayad para sa jet. Tama ba to o hindi? Meron bang pwedeng sumagot nito? Dahil wala po si Secretary John Vic. At marami sa ating mga kababayan nagtatanong kung group effort ito, chismis rin ba to? Baka sina General Torre, sina Prosecutor Fadulion, nandun kayo sa Villamor. Alam ba ninyo kung paano itong eroplanong ito kinuha? O na-charter ba to? Ano ba nangyari rito?
Ma'am, ano kasi, darating na naman tayo rito. Itong eroplanong to, nagagamit po ng presidente to.
Oo, ginamit ulit. Pagkatapos nung pag-aresto ni
Ngayon,
Presidente Duterte,
hindi ho namin pwedeng pag-usapan.
Sa Ilocos.
Hindi ho namin pwedeng pag-usapan yung travel arrangements ng presidente. These are national security matters. I think that we should respect, I don't think that we should really talk about this. Because this
Pakikita po ng tao,
ang travel arrangement
executive.
for the presidente in the past,
Mahirap
the present,
maging
and the future.
executive privilege, ay nakabulat-lat sa lahat ng dyaryo.
Hindi, pero yun nga, sinasabi ko, you cannot expect answers from us pagdating po rito. You cannot expect answers from us. Because,
No, but,
pakikinabangan to nasusunod ng Pangulo. Ginagamit ngayon ng Pangulo. Sabihin natin, hindi ho dapat pinag-uusapan. Kasi nga, we hold the life of the President as sacred.
Naman, pero Secretary John Vic already said it was chartered and paid for by the Office of the President.
I don't know if he has personal knowledge of that.
How much was paid kaya?
Well, that's speculative, ma'am.
Meron bang official receipt? Meron bang bidding?
What was the mode of procurement? We cannot go into the details of travel arrangements because these have national security implications.
The request was made in March.
I think we should respect national security, ma'am. I think it's a very it's imperative.
If you'll allow me to just ask, because this has already been divulged to the public, it's hardly secret. If it was national security at stake, it should never have been spoken about, but it's all over the media, and it came from government.